This is Assistant Professor Sanjay Divekar, Department of English from Sri Sai Baba Lok Prabodhan Arts College, Vadnej. Today we are going to see the poem Solitary Reaper written by William Wordsworth. In this session we are going to see the third stanza of this poem. Okay, let's see. In this stanza, what does poet say? Will no one tell me what she sings? Perhaps the plaintive numbers flow for old, unhappy, for of things and battle long ago, or is it some more humbly familiar matter of the day, some natural sorrow, loss or pain that has been and maybe again. Okay. So in this third stanza, there are the words which are very important. The words are for old, unhappy and for of things. Okay. And later on the words are battles. Okay. And there are also the words are familiar matter of today. Okay. Means in this stanza, the poet want to ask anyone that what kind of song that girl is singing. It is not understood by the poet, so that he has been asking to the people that can they tell him the meaning of this poem, the subject matter of this poem, so that he has been asking and questioning. But he understands that no one will tell him the meaning of this poem, so that he guesses himself the poem perhaps might be concerned with the old days, the unhappy moments and the far off things. Means here the first interpretation can be guessed by the poet. The song of this girl might be concerned with the old days, concerned with the unhappy moments and concerned with the far off things. Okay. Later on, he also guessed that the poet might be concerned with the battle which might happen in the ancient time. In the ancient time, as there are the two words, that is long ago, battles long ago. So what can we interpret this sentence? Means whatever the things, the incidents might be happened earlier in the ancient time, and whatever the battles taken place. So this song might have been explaining the incidents of the battles that might have taken place in the ancient times. Okay. So it is the second interpretation that might be guessed by the poet. Okay. Later on, is it some more humbly familiar matter of today, some natural sorrow, loss or pain? Okay. Means in these lines the poet has been guessing. Perhaps this song might be concerned with the happenings of regular activities or the natural sorrows, the natural unhappiness, the natural depressions, the natural frustration, disappointment. Later on, that this song might be concerned also with the loss or the pain that has been or maybe again. Means here the poet want to tell us this song might be again concerned with the disappointment or the loss what this girl might be expressing, whatever the pain she has been expressing, whatever the loss she has been expressing, whatever the sorrow she has been experiencing. Okay, so all these things might be this song is illustrating. Means in this stanza we can say that means this means poem might be concerned with all these means events or all these activities. So what we have seen here, the subject matter of the poem, what she is singing, might be concerned with the old incidents, unhappy incidents, or far off means incidents. Okay. Later on we have learned here that the poem's subject matter might be about the battles that might fought before the ancient times or in the ancient times, or later on it might be the subject matter of the humble lay and familiar matter of today, means regular activities of the daily time, daily routine times. Okay. Or it might be the subject matter of the sorrows, the loss, or the pain what this girl might be expressing in her life. Okay. Means in this third stanza we have seen that the song might be concerned with these things, and these particular things are the old means happenings, unhappy moments, and far off things, as well familiar matter of today's life, as well about the sorrows, loss, or pain that had been expressing by this girl. So dear students, have you understood in what way the third stanza has been illustrated by the poet? Means here we can say in brief that the poet who is not getting the meaning of this poem because he thinks that the language of this means poem is totally different, because the poet language is English, but the singing what the girl is means being done, it is totally different, because the song's language is totally unfamiliar or unfamiliar with the poet, because means the language of the poem or the means song is Scottish, and Scottish language is not familiar with the poet, so that he is not getting the ideas, he is not getting the subject matter, he is not getting the interpretation, because the language of the song is unfamiliar and not means understood with the language of the poet, so that he has been asking but he is not getting the reply from the people, so that he has been guessing himself that the song might be concerned with these three things. First thing is about the old happenings, second thing about the battles which might have happened in the ancient era, and third thing is that the sorrows, the pain, and the loss what this girl have has been expressing. So dear student, this is the third stanza where we have seen the interpretation of these lines. Okay, so you have to study all these lines, and whatever the queries about the about this stanza you may ask me. Okay, thank you. Yeah, okay.